Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through composite material. In this software, composite material works similar to a pressing process. So let's go inside and understand it step by step. Select as usual, then click New and choose the composite option. Here, the order is very important. You must set it as laminate plus board plus laminate. Provide the composite name based on OSL and BSL. For more details, follow the video's steps. Once everything is set, go inside Properties. Here, you will see a completely different option. See the mouse and select the composite option. On the right side, the boards and laminates that you already created will be shown. Use the search bar to find the required names. Select the materials and move them using the arrow buttons. Arrange them in the order laminate plus board plus laminate, just like a pressing machine process. Note: placed correctly, this order will be visible in your design. Now, select the exterior laminate using the face-up option. If you want to rearrange the order, use the arrow buttons above to remove, add, or move the layers up and down as needed. Now we have created the OSL, one-side laminate, composite. Next, we will see how to create BSL, both-side laminate. Simply copy the existing composite. Go inside, change the name, and then modify the composite materials. Remove the old laminate and add the new one as required. Follow the steps shown in the video, and you will understand the process clearly. You may notice that I'm selecting face-up 2 times here. This is because it is a both-side laminate, BSL, material. One face-up is for the top laminate, and the second face-up is for the bottom laminate. Good, now your composite material is ready to use.